Okay, so let's solve section 3 of questions. We are given different probability distribution and their properties, and we have to match it accordingly. So we know that for normal distribution, we have a bell-shaped and symmetric. So for B, it is 2. For power law, we know that it has a long tails, which is a exponential difference. So for D, it is 4. For D, it is 4. For binomial distribution, we know that mean is NP and variance is NPQ. So A should be first and B should be for C Poisson distribution. Our mean and variance are equal to the lambda. So the C should be. Uh, so let's see if our option matches A1, B2, C3, and D4. So the correct option should be A. Let me write here. Correct option will be A, which is A1, B2, C3, and D4. Now let's see for the 27th question, which is we are given some terms and again some terms. So reducible error, which can be reduced. So which can be minimized by better technique. For A, we know that it is the third. For irreducible error, which cannot be reduced. For B, it is 1. So A third and B 1. We have this option. And for C, overfitting means high variance and models noise, and underfitting means high bias and misassimilation. So the correct answer should be A, because A, A3, B1, C2, and D4. Because if the variance would be high, it would lead to overfitting because our model tends to train with the noise and it will perform better with the training data, but not in the test data. And in underfitting, we either we increase the bias, which would lead to missing relationship. So our model would be too simple to capture the relationship between the data set. So the correct answer should be A, right? For this column, now we are given some ML models and their features, right? So for linear regression, we know that we predict numerical by minimizing the RSS. For A, it is third. So this should be the correct answer. Now let's check for other cases. For logistic regression, which we predict probabilities using sigmoid. Yes, correct. For K means we cluster, it is done for clustering, and for centroid, yes, it is correct. And for decision trees, which is a binary branching structure which is prone to overfitting. Yes, it is also correct. So the correct answer should be A. A3, B4, C1, and D. This is the correct answer. So question 29, we are given some big data terms and their features. So HDFS, we know it is for distributed file system. So A for 2, yes. For B, MapReduce, it is a parallel processing paradigm, yes. For yet another resource negotiator, it is a job scheduling or resource management, yes. And for Spark, it uses a in-memory. It is similar to MapReduce, but it uses a in-memory approach and evaluate it using resilient data, distributed data set. So correct answer should be A again, which is A2, B3, C1, and D4. That's right. A, which is A2, B3, C1, and D4. Right. So these are answers for the matching type. I hope you like it. Thank you guys.